Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we're in Fort Myers and I want to show you this beautiful community called Bonavie Cove by Mattamy Homes. Okay, I'm gonna go do a drive-by, and then I'm gonna have on the following videos, I'm gonna have a video showing you the two models that they have. These are all villa homes, and I want to show you what this neighborhood looks like. It's gated, as you can see. This area here is very closely located to almost everything in Fort Myers. Over here's the clubhouse. I'm gonna put a little video of what the pool looks like. From this outside, I couldn't get in, and we keep going. This area here, it's very convenient. It's very close to the airport. It's very close to Edison Mall. It's very close to almost everything Fort Myers. You know, you could go over to Cape Coral. It's very centrally located in Fort Myers, and it's completely brand new. Looks like it's their first phase. Right now, most of the first phase is almost gone. They're gonna have some for November. They're going to start building one villa, actually two villas, and if you want to get into those, you're going to have to just call us up and we'll sign you in, okay? And also I think in January they're going to open the next phase, so that's when you're going to start signing in for the next villas that are going to come in, okay? So if you want to get in, almost everything here right now it's sold in the first phase. And they're gonna have a villa coming in November. So if you want more information, please give us a call and we could maybe write you up to sign in whenever that villa becomes available. And over here to the left, as you can see, there's a dog park. It has a dog park, and you can see a lot of, there's still a lot of property for them to build, but that will start all in the next phase. From what I heard, it's that they're gonna complete everything that they have sold already, and then start the new phase in January, around January. Sorry about that. Let me put my seatbelt on. So this that you see here, that's the back part. There's a lake over there. And let me go around here. You go around to the other street. Like I said before, here's the dog park. You get a better view now. The paw park is called. That's cute. This is where they look when they're finished. Let me stop here. This is what the unit look when they're finished. I'll be putting two models on the next few videos. So if you would like to see the units inside, the two models, feel free to subscribe. And as soon as they become available, the models, I upload them, you will be able to see them. lot of construction going here. So So these are the two models I'm going to be showing you in the videos. It's going to be this one here on the side. Is the Oceana, and it's 1,500 square feet. And then they got this one over here. It's around 1,400 square feet. The Largo, it's a little bit smaller, but they're very beautiful inside, very nice. So if you're interested about price, and like I said before, if you would like to get on the list for the one they're going to have, the two villas they're going to have available in November, call us and we'll get your information and we'll put you on the list. We'll talk to the builder and set you up. And as soon as they decide how they're going to sell it, we'll call you up and let you know how it's going to happen and what the price and all of that. For the other one that is going to start next phase in January, you can actually, we'll let you know when they come out, and just keep watching our videos, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to call us, okay? I hope you enjoyed this small tour, and see you on the next one.